Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will study grade 3 countdown maths, page number 18 and 19, comparing 4 and 5 digit number. Uh, to compare 4 and 5 digit number, we must have to remember how hungry crocodile checks to see which of the two numbers is greater. He always goes for the bigger number. When he compared 4698 and 4693, he finds that digits at thousands, hundred, tens places are the same, but at one places 8 is greater than 3. It means that 4698 is greater than 4693. So 4693 in this above chart, 1000, 100, tens and ones. Now you can see 4 is equal, 6 is equal, 9 is in ones column, 8 is greater than 3. So this one is greater than that. So crocodile will eat the greater one. So this sign means greater than and this means smaller than, as you have studied in the previous classes. Some examples are given. Fill in the symbols with greater than or smaller than. 9562, 9362. This is 5 and this is 3. So 5 is bigger than, so you will draw the sign of greater than. B 14,359, 14,369. So this is the 5, this is 6, both are different. 6 is greater, so crocodile will say 14,359 is smaller than 14,369. While reaching at the page number 19, you will have to find out which one is the greater and which one is the smaller. Also I mentioned here due to which letter this is greater. And so let's start. 3906 is dash, then 3956. So this is 0 and this is 5. So this is smaller than 8 tens. We come to know about tens. For the next 9004, 8004, 9 and 8. The difference between 1000. So 9004 is greater than 8004. Here you will write 1000. 6249, 6549. So hundreds column shows that this is smaller and this is greater. So here you will write 100. 54,398, 82,459. So this is 5 and this is 8. So this one is greater. 8 is greater. 78,090, 78,190, 090 and 190. So this one is greater and you will write T 1000. This is about 100 and so on. 22,001, 22,009. 9 is greater. So here you will again write ones. 17,412, 17,452. This is greater. So we came to know from tens. Fill in the symbols. 3024, 4000, fill in the symbol, and so on. 2569, 1000, 2000 is greater than 7400, 6000, this is greater than 5600, 43, 5,700, 8,700, 8,075 and 8,002. So 8,075 is greater. 6,029, 329 and 6,192, 6,000, 4,852, 4,999, 1,062, 1,049, 7,863, 7,863 is greater than 7,859. The same way 21,987 is greater than 21,972 because 8 and 7 are being compared. 99,999 is greater than 99,992. 92 unit is compared. 48,635 is smaller than 48,638. 5 and 8 are compared. 13,799 is greater than 13,739. 99 and 39 are being compared. 75,210 is equal to 75,210. They are equal. Really sorry, reading mistake. 75,201 is smaller than 75,210. 94,820 is smaller than 94,831. 45,962 is greater than 44,999. 44 are compared. 68,327 is greater than 68,295. 3 and 2 are being compared in hundreds column. 96,009 is greater than 95,993. So these symbols are being solved for you. Question number 3 is using the digit 3046, write the greatest 4-digit number. To write the greatest number, you will have to start descending order. In descending order, you will write 6 first, then you will write 4 first, then you will write 3 first, then you will write 0 first. 6,430. This is the greatest possible number from the given. Using the digit, write the smallest 4-digit number. For the smallest, you will have to write it in ascending order as we have already studied. So 2168, we will start from smaller one, 1268. This was the best possible smallest number from the given digits. Just keep watching our videos. These were the page number 18 and 19 Oxford Countdown Mathematics Grade 3. Please subscribe our channel and keep watching our videos. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.